a break from the normal routines with the help of board games. Board games are perfect for building teamwork and interpersonal relationships with peers in a low-level anxiety, understanding the concept of rules and following them, and it boosts learning. Speaking, you can ask some speaking questions or have some reading activities, something like spelling or pronunciation, and reviewing new vocabularies by asking students to make a sentence with the word or giving you a synonym or antonym, whatever pops up to your mind. So if you've got unmotivated students, try this out. What is it? It's flippity.net. Now let's see how to work with this website. Okay, this is the outlook of flippity.net. It got so many options for you guys, so many games to work on. But today we want to make a board game. So we click instructions and copy this template. Make a copy. Here you could edit each one of these. Let me show you the outlook. This is the outlook, and I'm going to show you how to change the instructions of each space or the pictures, or adding some questions to your cards. So let's see how it's done. For example, for number 10, I want to have my own picture. For example, where is it? No, this one. Yeah. You just need to copy image address and paste it here. Paste. And for the instruction, I want to write, what do you do in the morning? And that's how it's done. And for your, for example, cards, you could add here, it says it could have some links or pictures or YouTube videos and stuff like that. I want to add a picture. For example, I ask, what do you do in the morning? And as an answer, I copy this image address as my answer. So it will show the picture to the students. So, and about the materials, for example, these little, I don't know, markers, tools here, you could also change them. For example, I thought about having different colors of cars. So I search for this car and again copy image address and paste it, for example, for number 1. So this way you could have your own board game, and when you're finished you need to just click file and publish to web. You need to first publish to the web and get the link right here. See, this is your link. Let's see what we have done. This is the final work. You could just roll the dice and 1, 2. I didn't have any new instructions for my number 2. But I just taught you how to change the instructions and make it your own. Do you remember the first website, which was storyboardthat.com? It also has some board game templates for you guys, which you could edit and use in your classes. They're also cool. And another website, which is toolsforeducators.com, which in here you could easily make your own game board, because it has ready to use topics and images. Let's see, for example, here you need to just choose whatever picture related to your topic that you want, and whatever instruction that you want. For example, adding some speaking questions, or spelling, I don't know, vocabularies, yeah, and just click make it. And that is how you have your own game board. And I think it's better for in-person classes. You could just print them out and use in your classes. Yeah, that is how it ends. Another episode of Website for Teachers. Hope you enjoyed, and have fun. And don't forget to check out these video series of mine. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, leave a comment. Guys, do something.